today in this video we're doing a wig install. I was actually struggling to find a real topic for this video, so I'm gonna kind of wing it and go from there. All right, so this wig is a 2-in-1. You've seen me do this many times, several times. So today in this video, that's what I'm gonna show you, except I never really show you guys how the hair reverts back, right? I usually do from straight to curly and then leave it, but I'm gonna do a little test so you guys can see how much this wig really offers. We got the wig right here. This one is actually pre-bleached and everything is already done for you. But I actually want to wear this wig out today. I'm about to go ice skating. So I was like, this would be the cutest wig to wear with my outfit that I don't have planned yet. I love a wig that's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the work is all done for you because I really hate having to bleach wigs. Okay, I'm gonna keep it 100% real. So I love the fact that the work is already done. Let me roll up my little sleeve so I can show you guys how the lace looks on my skin. Now they actually sent me 2 pieces of lace. Right here we have a sheer lace and we have a brown lace. But obviously if I sit here and show you guys like this, you won't be able to see the difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the little swatch test on my arm. All right, so I had to change because we have the brown lace and we have the sheer lace. Handy dandy, gotta be glue holding. I'm gonna actually blow dry it like how I would if I was gonna actually put it onto my skin. So this right here is the sheer lace. So this right here is the sheer lace. And this right here is the brown lace. So obviously this one looks like it melts more into your skin versus the brown. So I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look on my skin. The sheer lace is also known as the crystal lace, which you might have been hearing a lot, okay, in like every girl's wig YouTube videos. And basically it's supposed to match all skin types. Like I feel like in the past they had like the transparent lace that was supposed to match all the skin types, but it just looked really odd if you were more of a darker skin tone, and then you had to tone it, then you had to tint it, and it just required more work. Now this one is supposed to match more, if not all, skin tones, and if you have to tint it, it should probably be like, you probably might only need a little bit of powder. Like you don't need a full-blown tinting experiment or liquid, you know. I'm gonna it's like giving yourself a wax that hurts so bad. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I want to actually show you guys the lace up close. Like if you guys don't know how to bleach your wig or you don't know how to pluck, the problem is solved, huns. And I'm actually gonna use hairspray to install this. I'm not even using glue. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. I just washed my hair, did a little deep condition, a little shampoo. My hair smells good, so we're not gluing nothing. You can actually see how good that looks. This lace is practically see-through and will definitely, like, look at, I'm in love. Let's go closer. All right, so usually, like, I haven't worn stocking caps in a while because I'm trying to preserve my hair underneath. See, the thing is, I wear wigs on a regular basis, and I've been wearing leave-outs recently, but to the gym, I'm not wearing a wig. No, it's not happening. Instead, I like to wear my real hair a ponytail. Now I did just braid the end so that it doesn't unravel underneath the wig. I never really wore a wig cap underneath my wig besides me doing like the ball cap method, which we ain't doing today. This is really, you know, a little new for me. You want to go ahead and just slide this back. Don't want it on your edges because the lace is so see-through. You're gonna see the line of demarcation from the edge of the wig cap onto your skin. Through the wig. So you don't want to put it close. Slide it back. Now inside the wig, they have a headband. This makes life a little bit easier because it'll make your wig stay in place. You know. Ooh, this looks good. I like this.
Let me see.
It looks really good. So before I start the whole hair, the front process, I'm gonna actually just flat iron my hair, and I'm gonna be using my EAP heat flat iron that I have been using a lot these days. Realized my audio was set to manual, so I hope when I'm editing this video the words match up, because if not, it's gonna be all lagged. All right, let me go ahead and cut the lace. First of all, this looks immaculate. I'm gonna cut a lot of lace off. Trimming up the sides. Now to make this part not crusty, I'm gonna just take some more hairspray. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit of my finger and I'm gonna just rub it on the lace, and then I'm gonna just take I don't really have a comb. I'm gonna take this edge control brush. I'm gonna just smooth it in. Alright, so let me go ahead and do the other side. And the only reason why it's really white right here and crusty is because of the hairspray. Like if I had glue, it would be seamless right off the bat, but again, I'm not using glue, so yeah, if I would have had glue, I would have been done already with my hairline. That's why I've been using it, even though you guys know I hate glue, but it just makes life so much easier. But it's just annoying to clean up and clean off. I actually like videos where I'm sitting on the floor. It feels like more realistic to me. Is that weird? I hate when I have my hair like a ponytail underneath, and that be the time I'm talking to a freaking guy and he'd be like, what's up? I'm like, don't touch. What I'm gonna do now is actually wet it, so let's go and do that. Alright, sorry about the quality. I was obviously spraying my hair, so a lot of the mist went on the camera lens, which is why it looks so weird and greasy. And I tried to wipe some off, as you can see, but I didn't wipe off enough. Excuse my friend in the background. She was knocked out a few minutes ago. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to be using this Taraji P. Henson curling cream, and I like to use this to set my curls on my curly wigs. It works really well for real hair, but obviously I never wear I don't think I have a curl pattern on my real hair ever, or at all, because it has so much heat damage. But absolutely impressed and love this wig. Now, I did want to do another test for you guys, so after I decided to, finish prepping the curls, as you can see, I wanted to show you guys how it looks when it's dry. And then I also wanted to do a mini test where I flat ironed a certain part, preferably in the back, because I was going out, to show you guys that if you wanted to straighten this wig, you can straighten it. Now, you're gonna be putting in a lot of work, so if you do want to straighten this wig, I would say blow dry it first, then flat iron it, and it's possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, everything will be down below. Absolutely love this wig. This is actually one of my favorites. So it will not be in my upcoming wig sale, but it is, I love it. And the curls are so like coily and curly. I feel like usually with kinky wigs, the curls are a little bit more of I can't explain the curl, but it's not like this kind of curl. So I love the way this looks.